Hello, I am Tu from Vietnam, and I'm here taking the 7 days course of skincare. I focus on skincare routine, and when I do the internet search, I found Mikwang program, and when I read through the program, I found that this is what I want to know about skincare, so I take the course in Mikwang. I feel that the skincare education in Korea is very comprehensive because in Vietnam we do not do much about skincare, and when I went to Korea and studied about the skincare of routine of the Korea, I feel is better. This is just what I want to know. The schedule built is very good. The material provided is also very well prepared and comprehensive for me. I can understand about different skin type and how to maintain the good skin through daily through the daily skincare routine like cleansing, deep cleansing, and give the skin nutrition so that to maintain it better. I think Aquapil is the best because the routine is quite short, help of the machine, and it can give a better effect than a normal skincare procedure. I like the Vivian product because it's a mix between the AHA and BHA, and it gives the best effect to the deep cleansing to the skin, and I myself want to try this product also. Vivian and the teacher is very master of skincare, and what they told me, they share the knowledge to me is in a very comprehensive way. I can understand about the skincare procedure. So here in Mikwang, you can study the theory of skincare in English. The teacher and the master and the program prepared in English for you, and besides you can practice also. Study theory and then practice will make you more understand about the skincare routine and skincare procedure, and this is very good for a practitioner like me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good? Is it good?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like it. Wow.
Wow.
Love it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
수고했어요.
Korea Mikwang Beauty Academy 좋아요.